Even though 29% of European small and medium enterprises plan to adopt artificial intelligence solutions within the next 2 years, it's more difficult for them than for established corporations. So in this video, we will discuss how artificial intelligence alliances within the ecosystem can benefit all actors involved and especially SMEs. Hi, Nicole.
Hi, Johana.
Let's dive right into the topic of SMEs and artificial intelligence. We see many SMEs being at disadvantage in comparison to large established companies when they're implementing machine learning solutions. What do you suggest would be a solution to this challenge?
So one of the solutions we've thought about at Merantix Labs is to build SME alliances around machine learning and AI. This means one SME or multiple SMEs working together with various knowledge providers. This could be a machine learning startup like Merantix Labs, maybe also together with the university, focusing around certain use cases that are interesting for this particular SME or a group of SMEs. This has a few advantages. First, SMEs sometimes struggle attracting talent versus tech startups in more urban areas don't. Second, some SMEs don't have the same financial resources as larger corporations. So sharing some use cases across various SMEs that don't compete also allows you to increase your budget power. And thirdly, to sort of build this exchange and build this experiment with various SMEs and tech startups also allows you to insert some of this culture into your organization. And we're really convinced that this has a very strong symbiotic effect because industry partners have domain expertise in their respective field, and tech partners have very strong talent base and technical base. And so together, this really unleashes a lot of business value.
That sounds very interesting, Nicole. Can you give us an example of how such an alliance would work?
So let's think about an issue or a topic such as minimizing setup times in a manufacturing setup. This is something that affects manufacturers in different sectors. So you could also work together with companies that are not necessarily direct competitors. The main challenge manufacturers have on this topic is, for example, if they do batch production, to set up the factory after each batch to a new setup. Usually this know-how resides within just a few employees, and companies basically have two issues. First, sometimes they can't find these well-qualified people anymore, so this knowledge might be lost to them at some point. And secondly, they'd like to sort of optimize this to a really high degree because downtime is very costly. You can share a lot of the expertise across different factory setups and also learn from people in other industries. And this is relevant for various manufacturing industries, for example, fast-moving consumer goods, just as well as industrial goods or automotive sector. So you can really see this scale across various sectors.
So what would be some other topic clusters for these alliances?
So you could see similar clusters working in other areas, such as visual quality control, smart logistics, smart sales.
Nicole, that was really interesting. Again, if you have any comments that you'd like to share with us, please comment under this post and we'll get back to you.
Great, thank you.
Thank you. Bye, Nicole.
Bye, Johana.